Windows are one of the most important features of your home, offering natural light, ventilation, and protection from the elements. However, like any other part of your house, windows have a lifespan. Over time, they can wear out, become inefficient, or even compromise the comfort and safety of your home. For homeowners in Pell City, replacing old windows isn't just a matter of aesthetics. It's essential for maintaining energy efficiency, reducing maintenance needs, and ensuring your home remains secure. Here are the most common signs it's time to replace your windows. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest indicators that it's time to replace your windows is a noticeable increase in your heating and cooling costs. Old or single-pane windows often lack proper insulation, allowing drafts to enter your home and forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Solution: modern energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple panes, low E coatings, and gas fills, can significantly reduce energy loss and lower your utility bills. Drafts or air leaks. If you feel a breeze near your windows even when they're closed, it's a sign that the seals or frames are compromised. Drafts not only make your home uncomfortable but also waste energy. Solution: new windows with advanced weather stripping and tightly sealed frames will keep your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Difficulty operating windows. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock are not just frustrating, they're also a safety hazard. Stuck windows can indicate warping, swelling, or damage to the frame or hardware. Solution: replacement windows are designed for smooth operation and come with modern locking mechanisms that enhance security and ease of use. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation or fogging trapped between the panes of double or triple glazed windows indicates a broken seal. This reduces the window's insulating properties and can lead to further issues like mold or moisture damage. Solution: replacing the affected windows will restore clarity and insulation, ensuring your home stays energy efficient and free from moisture-related problems. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, chipped frames, or rotting wood are clear signs that your windows are past their prime. Not only do these issues reduce curb appeal, but they can also compromise security and energy efficiency. Solution: upgrading to durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite ensures long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance. Outside noise disturbances. If you hear every passing car, barking dog, or neighborhood activity as if it's happening inside your home, your windows may lack proper soundproofing. Solution: modern windows with double or triple panes and insulated frames significantly reduce noise transmission, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Frequent maintenance needs. Older windows, especially those made from wood, often require constant repainting, sealing, or repairs. If maintaining your windows has become a time-consuming or costly chore, it may be time for an upgrade. Solution: new windows made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass are resistant to warping, fading, and peeling, saving you time and effort. Fading furniture or floors. If your furniture, curtains, or flooring is fading, your windows may not be blocking harmful UV rays effectively. Prolonged UV exposure can damage your home's interior and reduce the lifespan of your furnishings. Solution: windows with low E coatings are designed to block most UV rays, protecting your home's interior while allowing in natural light. Poor curb appeal. Outdated or mismatched windows can make your home look less attractive, even if the rest of your property is well maintained. Worn or faded frames can detract from your home's overall appearance. Solution: replacing your windows with modern designs and stylish finishes can instantly boost curb appeal, adding value and charm to your home. Preparing to sell your home. If you're planning to put your Pell City home on the market, replacing old windows can be a smart investment. Buyers are drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and new windows can set your property apart from the competition. Solution: upgrading your windows before selling can enhance your home's appeal and potentially increase its resale value. Take action before small problems become big issues. Recognizing the signs of aging windows is the first step toward improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. In Pell City, where seasonal weather fluctuations can be extreme, investing in high-quality replacement windows is a practical and worthwhile decision. If you've noticed any of the signs listed above, it may be time to consult a trusted local window replacement expert. They can assess your windows, recommend the best options for your needs, and ensure a professional installation for long-lasting performance. Don't wait until your windows become a liability. Upgrade to new, efficient, and stylish windows today, and enjoy the benefits for years to come.